We are going to start the semester 2 paper number first, analytical geometry of two dimensions. So there are two papers in the semester 2, analytical geometry of two dimensions, and the second paper is what? Calculus. That is the continuation of the first term, first semester. That is the calculus 1 and calculus 2 is in the second semester. But this is not the continuation of the previous paper. In the previous paper, the paper number 1 is what? Algebra, and now it is geometry. So it is different from the algebra. So we are going to start the first chapter of this analytical geometry of two dimensions, and the first definition of translation. So shifting of origin, that is, if we shift the origin from one place to another place, the original origin is 0, 0, and if we shift it without rotating axis, it's called translation. And the rotation means rotation of axis. If we rotate the axis without changing the origin, then it's called rotation. So there are two words. Translation means shifting of origin, and the rotation means rotation of axis. So the first uh, translation. Suppose origin shifted to the point or new origin. Suppose EHK is the new point, O dash is new origin, is called translation. The shifting of this origin to new without rotating the axis. That is suppose the original origin is what? O 0, 0, and the new origin is O dash, and its coordinate are EHK. And then what is the new system? New system is, this is x dash axis, y dash axis. Actually this is x axis and y axis after shifting the origin to new point. Okay, and without rotating the axis means this y dash and y are parallel, x dash axis and x axis are parallel, so it's called translation. So you suppose the origin is shifted to the point HK, new point HK. So let pxy be any point in the plane, that is pxy. Means these x and y are the old coordinate of this point. That is what is x? X is what? If we draw perpendicular on x-axis and perpendicular on y-axis, then this distance pm is what? What is x, and this suppose this point is q, then qp is what? Is p n. Suppose this is point n, then this distance is what? Is y. So this, if we do not this point by OM, then this distance is its y coordinate, and this distance is its x coordinate of the point P with respect to the old system. That is how can write the coordinate of the point, draw the perpendicular on x axis, and this distance is called y coordinate of that point. That is PM is what? Is small y, and this distance means this distance OM is what? It's x coordinate. So OM is x, PM is y. These are the coordinate of the point P. X and y are the coordinate of point P with respect to old system. And the new system is what? This is the new system, that is after shifting the origin. What is the new system? X dash y dash axis, and the 0 dash O dash is what? Its origin. Then suppose x dash y dash be coordinates of the same point P with respect to new system. That is after shifting origin, the coordinate of the same point changes, and so this distance, suppose this point is q, then this distance is now y dash, and this distance O dash to q is what? Is x dash. So O dash q is x dash, and this distance PQ is what? Is y dash. And now what we have? This OQ dash is what? OM minus OQ dash, or O dash Q. Here is O dash Q. So what is the O dash Q? This is O dash to Q. This distance is actually x dash. Okay, but it is what? RQ. This RQ minus RO dash. Okay, what is Q dash O dash Q? It is R to Q, that is RQ minus RO dash. Okay, and that is what is the P dash Q? O dash Q. O dash Q is what? This O dash Q is X dash. So X dash is what? X dash is equal to OM and RQ both are same. So OM is what? X. OM is X. So RQ is X minus this RO dash. So RO dash is this distance, and this distance is what? RO dash is suppose H. This distance is suppose H. So what do we have? X dash is equal to X minus H. And therefore X dash is what? X minus H. And therefore X is what? X dash plus H. So this, suppose this distance is H and this distance is K. Okay, because O dash is what? The coordinate of O dash is what? HK, and that's why this distance O to this perpendicular distance is K, and this distance O to this point up to this point is H, means this RO dash is H. Okay, RO dash is H, and therefore X is equal to X dash plus H. Similarly, if you observe PQ is what? PQ is PM minus QM, PM minus QM, and PQ is PM is Y dash, PM is Y dash, PM is Y, PM is Y. So right, PM is Y, PQ is this, PQ is what? P2Q is Y dash, PQ is Y dash, and PM is Y minus QM. So this QM, this QM and this distance both are same. So this is K. This O to this point is distance is K, and therefore this distance is also K. So Y dash is Y minus K. And so Y is equal to Y dash plus K. So if we shift the origin to the new point HK, then the coordinates of the points changes. What is X? X is X dash plus H, and Y is equal to Y dash plus K. So what are H and K? H and K are the coordinate of the new origin, and X dash and Y dash are the coordinate of the same point with respect to old system. So this proof is not so important, but these formulas, two formulas, only remember these two formulas. X is equal to X dash plus H, and Y is equal to Y dash plus K. So the question on these two formulae are what? Find the transform form of the equation 2x square plus 3xy minus 4y square plus x plus 3 is equal to 0 when the origin is shifted to the point 1 minus 2. That is, the values of H and K are what? 1 and minus 2. So x is equal to X dash plus H, Y is equal to Y dash plus K. These are the two formulas if the origin is shifted to new point. Okay. What is the new point? HK. H is 1 and K is minus 2. So that's substitute H and K. So x is equal to X dash plus 1, Y is equal to Y dash plus 2, Y dash minus 2. Okay. So if the origin is shifted to new point, then the equation of curve also change, because we know that if the origin is shifted, then coordinate of every point change to new coordinate. Okay. Every coordinate of with respect to old system and with respect to new system are different, and so the equation of any curve also change. So we have to find that form, that is transform form. This equation changed because of the origin is shifted. So we have to find the new form of this same curve, same equation. So what is the question? Find the transform form or new form of the equation, this equation, when origin is shifted. So this is the equation of the curve with respect to old system, and we have to find the equation of the same curve or new form of this equation when origin is shifted, that is with respect to new system. So what we have to do, then substitute just x is equal to X dash plus H, Y is equal to Y dash plus K in this equation, that is x is equal to X dash plus 1, Y is equal to Y dash minus 2, and therefore the transform form of the given equation, the transform form of this equation is what? Just substitute x is equal to X dash plus 1 and Y is equal to Y dash minus 2 in this equation. What do we have? 2 X dash plus 1 bracket square plus 3 X dash plus 1 in bracket Y dash minus 2. Substitute the value of Y. Here the Y is Y minus 2, Y dash minus 2 bracket square. X is equal to X as X dash plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 0. And simplify, that is find the square of this bracket, multiply these two bracket. So x dash y dash, we have the multiplication of these two bracket, we have the four terms. What are that? X dash y dash, this, then minus 2x dash plus y dash and minus 2. Then square of this bracket, y dash square minus 4y dash plus 4, and then x dash plus x dash plus 1 as it is plus 3 is equal to, and simplify. So what we have, 2x dash square plus 4x dash by multiplying 2, by multiplying 3, by multiplying 4, we have these terms. And addition and subtraction of this term is what? 2x dash square minus 4y dash square minus x dash plus 19y dash plus 3x dash y dash minus 16 is equal to. This is the transform form of the given equation, or this is the new form of this equation. So this equation transform to this by shifting the origin to point 1 minus 2. So these both equations are represent same curve, but this is the equation of the same curve with respect to old system, and this is the equation of the curve with respect to new system. So what is the new system? After shifting the origin to point 1 minus 2, the new system form, that is the x dash axis and y dash axis, and with respect to that, this is the equation of the same curve. So this is the transform form of this equation when origin is shifted to this point. Okay, so very simple examples for 2 marks, that is find the transform form of this equation when the origin is shifted to 1 2. So x is equal to x dash plus h and y is equal to y dash plus k, that is x dash plus 1, h is 1, k is 2, y dash plus 2. So substitute the transform form of the given equation, substitute this is x as x dash plus 1, y as y dash plus 2. We have this, and then after squaring the each bracket, we have this, and the final answer is x dash square plus y dash square minus 16 is equal to 0. And this is the transform form of this equation. Actually, this is the equation of circle in general form, and this is the equation of the circle in standard form. X dash square plus y dash square is equal to 16. Is equal to 16 means 4 square. Means this equation is the equation of circle with the center, new center 1 2, and center of this circle is as the origin, and what is the radius? Radius is 4. So this is the transform form of the given equation. So if we shift the origin, then we have to, and if I have to find the transform form of the given equation, then just to remember two formulas: x is equal to x dash plus h, y is equal to y dash plus k. So this equation and this equation both represent the same curve. Only this is with respect to new system, with respect to old system, that is origin is 0 0, and this is the equation of the same curve, that is with respect to the new system, that is the origin is 1 2. In new system the origin is 1 2. So in order to find the transform form, just substitute x is equal to x dash plus h, y is equal to y dash plus k. We get the transform form. Next is shift the origin to point 1 minus 1 2 and transform this equation, and transform the equation this. Okay, so substitute x as x dash plus h, y as y dash plus k, means x is equal to x dash minus 1, y is equal to y dash plus 2. And then transform form of the given equation is what? Just substitute x as x dash minus 1, y as y dash plus 2. So after simplification, we have this answer. That is, this is the transform form of this equation when origin is shifted to new point 1 minus 2. The next example, shift the origin to suitable point so that this equation will be in the form x square 4by. State the value of b. So let the suitable point is hk. We have to find that point, the origin, that if we shift the origin to that point, then this equation transform to this form. So suppose the suitable point be hk, that suitable point be hk. Now we have to find the value of h and k. And then if we shift the origin to point new point hk, then what are the transform equations. The equations are x is equal to x dash plus h, y is equal to y dash plus k. And therefore, the transform form of this equation is what? The transform form of the given equation is substitute x as x dash plus h, y as y dash plus k. So we have this equation. So after simplification, we have this, and then we have x dash square plus in bracket 2h minus 6 x dash term x dash plus the constant term is what? H square minus 6h minus 6h minus 4k minus 1 is equal to the term of y is minus 4y dash shift to RHS is equal to 4y dash. So if we compare these two equations, x square, we have to reduce this equation or transform this equation to this form. X square is equal to 4by. So when this equation, if we compare these two equations, then what we have? If we, but this form is what? X square is equal to 4by. So we have to, if we compare these two equations, then what we have? X dash square. So here is x square. So there is no x term. So the coefficient of x dash is 0 because the LHS of this equation is what? X square. So here is x dash square, but there is no term of x, so coefficient of x dash is 0. Similarly, the constant coefficient is h square minus 6h minus 4k minus 1 is also 0. And if we compare RHS, then what we have? 4b is equal to 4. And 4b is equal to 4 means b is equal to 1. And if we substitute b is equal to 1, from this first equation, we have h is equal to 3, 2h minus 6 is equal to. And if we substitute this h in the second equation, that is h square minus 6h minus 4k minus 1 is equal to 0, substitute h as 3, we get k is minus 5 by 2. And so the suitable point is what? 3, h is 3 and k is minus 5 by 2. So write in round bracket 3 comma minus 5 by 2 and b is 1. So b is 1. So if we shift the origin to this point, 3 minus 5 by 2, then this equation transform to this form. X square is equal to 4by with b is equal to 1. That is, this equation transform to x square is equal to 4y. So if you solve the question like this, find the transform form of this equation, the same equation, x square minus 6x minus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0. If the origin is shifted to the point 3 minus 5 by 2, then what do we have the answer? X square is equal to 4y. X square is equal to, because b is 1. So if we solve this example, that is find the transform form of this equation if the origin is shifted to this point 3 minus 5 by 2. So what is the transform form of the given equation? Is substitute x as x dash plus 3, y as y dash plus k, means k is minus 5 by 2. So y is equal to y dash minus 5 by 2. So what do we have? We have this. The transform form of this equation is this. And after simplification, we have the answer x dash is equal to 4y dash. X dash is equal to, we have this answer. We have this answer, x square is equal to 4by. b is 1. That is, we have the answer x square is equal to 4y. We have the answer x dash square is equal to 4y dash. So this is about the translation, means the shifting of origin. That is, if I have to find the transform form of the given equation, then substitute x is equal to x dash plus h, y is equal to y dash plus k, where h and k is what? It's new origin. So the next point is what? Rotation. So what is the meaning of rotation? Rotation means rotation of axis. Suppose through an angle theta without shifting the origin. So this is the rotation. That is, if rotate the axis x and y through an angle theta, then what are its new positions? This is new position, suppose, of x axis, and this is the new position of y axis. So with respect to the new and old system, the coordinates of the two same point. Suppose P is the point having coordinate xy and x dash y dash with respect to old and new system respectively. That is, xy is the coordinate of the point P with respect to old system, and x dash y dash are the coordinate of the same point P with respect to new system. That is, after a rotation of angle, rotation of axis through an angle theta, we have the new system, and suppose the coordinate of the point P with respect to new system are x dash y dash. So here is the point P and its coordinate are x, y and x dash y dash. Both are the coordinate of the same point with respect to old and with respect to new system. So if you observe the figure, then draw the perpendicular from point P on the x-axis and draw the perpendicular from point P on the x dash axis. Right here x dash, this is y dash axis, and we have to find these formulas. X is equal to x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta, and y is equal to x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta. So these are the transform equations if the axes are rotated through an angle theta. So this proof is important as far as exam concerned. So we will see the proof of this two formulae in the next lecture.